friends, welcome to our channel App Reviews. This is Bernice and I will give you reviews on most amazing and fabulous app that you definitely love it and that will be very useful to you. Friends, the app which I'm talking about, first of all I want to ask you a question. If you want to build or remodel or decorate your home, then this app is just for you. Friends, before heading towards the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel App Reviews. Do like this video as well. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload any videos you will get notified. Friends, with this app, you will get the best design ideas for your home. Various photos of home interiors and exteriors are there. You can choose any style, location or room, kitchen. If you want to renovate your bathroom, washrooms and swimming pools, your balcony, anything you want, everything is there. Even you can share these designs with your family and friends. Even not only this, you can even find, hire and collaborate with the best home professional for your home decorator or for home your renovation. You don't have to look for architects, you don't have to look for any home interior or exteriors interior decorators and exterior decorators. You can find everything in this. Even you can read the articles, various articles are there. You can get the advice for your home decoration. I'll let you know each and everything about this app. Make sure to be with me till the end of the video, so I'll let you know how this app works, what is various amazing features in it. And the link of this app is already in the description box. When you go to the description box, click on the link, you can download it. So friends, now come with me. I'll show you how this app works, how you can renovate your home so beautifully. Come with me.
Now friends, I will show you how this house home design and remodel app works. As soon as you click on the link given in the description box of our video, this type of interface will come on your mobile screen too. You have to click on install. I've already done it. It has been given 4.4 star ratings, 10 million plus downloads already been done because it's so useful app for everyone. You can discover ideas for your home if you want to renovate or building or something like that. And even you can view products in your room also, how it looks like. And you can find the best local professionals from anywhere you are residing in. And you can even browse and save photos for later on. You can share it with the home professionals if you are hiring any. And you can even discover unique products that you will not find anywhere. Even you don't want to search any other things or any other sites or something like that. Even in this app you can find out anything. Now we will open it and see what it contains. When you click on open, this type of interface will come. Friends, first of all you have to sign in with your email ID, or if you want to sign with a Facebook or something like that, you can do that. I've already done it because it demands your email ID just for the sake of the information, nothing like that. You can give that. I have already given it. Now when you give that, this type of interface will come in which, see, various pics of home decor is there if you want to have a home decor of yourself. Not only this, see, in this 9 pics are there in one, which you can see and have your ideas how you can decor or interior and exterior decorators. If you want to for your home, you can do. And not only this, see, there are architects and building designers are also there, and you can even have you can even contact them, even send a message if you want to have any consultant. There are many architects and interior designers are also there. If you want to hire any, find any or collaborate with the one, you can do that. And see, interior designers and decorators, look, you see, you can have the interior designers and decorators, and then civil engineers are also there, design build firms, home builder construction companies, kitchen and bath designers are there. You can contact with them. Even you see, you can send a message to them, they will contact you, or if you want to have a chat, you can do them. Landscape architects and contractor, tile stone and many other there. So if you want to have a notifications, when you click on notifications, see, you can read the articles given in there and you can browse it. Even if you want, click on idea books, when you save it, then it will be in your idea books and it's your profile. You can even follow someone or have your followers also, activities, post and this. And when we click on, I want to show you many more things are there. These are the professionals. I want to show you the pictures. See, kitchen islands, lightings for the kitchen. If you want to see, these are the ones. If you want to have a trending transitional food pics of see, the home decor, interiors are there. Such a fabulous ones are there. And new living room design photos if you want to. Means for each and every corner of your home you will find a fabulous design. See, it's your washroom. Various washroom designs are also there. You can have a look at it. And these are the bedroom designs. Sorry, it's a living room. Then if you want to have a golf estate, and it's the article if you want to of that particular pick. And not only this, it's a Mumbai house, a 30-year-old, 750 square feet. So you can have a look at each and everything. It's containing everything. Trending kitchen designs are there, statement lightings. See, many, and it's keep updating, and many stories are also there. If you want to have shown you stories, you can see those, you can read the articles and see the videos are also there, so that you can have the idea. And if you want to discuss anything, you can start a discussion with them. Okay. And if you want to have, and what else is there? It contains everything, friends. It's everything. If you want to have a particular room, see, when you click on the room, if you want to have a room, I must say, if you want to have an outdoor and garden, so if you want to have a terrace and balcony, you can choose that and see, it's a terrace and balcony pictures it will be shown. And not only this, if you want to have a style, different style, what style you want, I want a modern style, so modern style will be shown to you. Okay, you can filter it and you can select if you whatever you want. Metro area, which metro area you want to, if India or something like that, all India metro areas are there, which one you want to have. I want in Delhi, so see, Delhi designs are there. So it's having it's having designs by way of your cities, also by way of your area also, if you want to. So you can filter it and you can have it, and you can have a change in it. If you want to have if you want to have a swimming pool ideas, see, the swimming pool ideas are there. So it contains each and every area, it covers each and every area of your if you want to have an Asian style swimming pool, see, like this. If you want to have a metro area like say Bengaluru, so it's having like this. So you can filter it and see everything you want. It's an amazing app for the one and for everyone, how your home decors are going on nowadays, and you can select and you can have an idea. So fabulous app, friends, you can have a look.
So friends, I'll be back with more amazing app reviews. Till then, you can share your views with us. You can even drop your precious comments on our comment section. Till I come back, you have to stay safe.